Hello, and welcome to the 6th White Fur introductory tape. If you're watching this, it means you might need some help disassembling one of the new animatronic models for cleaning or repairing purposes. So let me guide you through this new technology. Before you start, make sure no one is watching you. Then use appropriate gloves provided by the White Fur Company. Throughout this whole process, keep in mind that you have to be careful not to damage any of the company's equipment. Once the repair is complete, be sure to keep everything clean. We don't want our next employees to have to deal with filthy tools. Moving on. On this tutorial we will be using 𝒸𝓁 V2 model as the example. Remember that this will not work on older animatronic versions. So the first thing you need to do is make sure the animatronic you're trying to disassemble is totally offline. To be able to check this, reach out for one of the 3 general WF wireless controllers, and press the blue button. Once you see a little red glowing light on your controller, you are safe to proceed. Next step, you should remove 𝒸𝓁's head vessel. Be sure to press the 2 little green buttons behind the back of the animatronic's head, while pulling it off. Then, there's a dark figure in the corner of the room. There's a dark figure in the corner of the room. There's a dark figure in the corner of the room. There's a dark figure in the corner of the
Look, Mom. It's the stupid looking dog.